Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, The Lens of Truth with me, Ivan Florentino, and for today's video, since Persona 5 Royal is now on Nintendo Switch, I wanted to go ahead and draw the Joker with his cool design and kind of just follow up on this series that I created on my channel where I just follow and draw the most iconic video game characters and what makes their designs so memorable and cool.
It's not a game, I'm not a robot, and I'm challenging you.
So for step number one, I used some marker paper to start off this drawing. I started off with a very light pencil sketch where I drew Akira Kurusu, or the Joker. And this one was really cool because I actually haven't drawn in marker in a long time, and I just wanted to keep it simple with just black and red and some white. And this one was really cool because I wanted it to be kind of flat and just kind of represent more of a noir type of a drawing. And this one, I started off with a simple sketch and then I filled in all the deep black shadows with a Prisma marker. I then went ahead and used some Micron ink pens and also some Faber-Castell pens, and these are very small and thin and various sizes, and this is the one that I used to complete the outline and made everything a lot more cleaner and smooth. And this is perfect for the details that I went into the hair, the mask, the mouth, and also the gun, and it just made everything look cleaner and put together.
So you know that we out there, sliding lines in the naked. Yeah, move fast without breaking. Can't hold on our life for change. And our voices ring out there. Took a mask off to be free. Falling out in
And because in the game and also in the trailers there's a lot of red being used, I decided to just make this using a red permanent marker along with the black, and it just looked really cool. It had a striking look to this, and I just kind of wanted to make sure that this was more of a graphic and striking simplistic look.
inside your head, your heart, and as a grateful brain tries to fight in vain, you're invaluable.
So what I did was move this traditional drawing that I did. So I took a photo of this and moved it into Photoshop, and this is where I removed the background using one of the background removal type of tools. And what I first did was make sure that I intensified the white to the highest that I could, and then also made the blacks as dark as I could. And I also used the burn tool, and it's also more of a burn tool slash brush that made sure that I wanted to consistently have darker colors or darker shadows and very bright pure white. And then I made sure that I also used the eraser tool to completely clean out any type of imperfections within the black and also the white. And I just isolated this background to just be a simple, clean, almost silhouette look, so that when I do end up moving it into Illustrator, it's going to make it a lot easier for me to refine the entire shape and drawing.
Try to stop us, life as we will try. Stop time.
Now for this final step, to make it a completely vector-based file, I went ahead and used the image trace option that it has, and what it does is that after I expand this becomes a solid, clean shape that I can go ahead and make it large or small as I want, and it's never going to blur out like it does with pixel type of files. So this one uses a lot of points that I'm able to go ahead and individually select and clean up, and that's what I'm doing in this step right here. So after expanding it, I'm able to go in and refine the details, make things round, make things sharp, and because it is a point system and a vector system, it just makes things a lot easier. And this is the look that I was going for, a very graphic, simplistic look. And yeah, this is what I did, and I'm happy the way that it turned out. And because the way that Joker is drawn in the promotional art and in the game, he's a very thin, slender character with a long coat and a cool looking mask and hair, and everything's for the most part is very black and gray except for some areas that are white like his mask. This is what makes him a memorable character. And to finish this off, I'm adding the red to make it very striking, and I decided to add the Smash Brothers logo because that's actually the first time I ever played anything related to the Persona series. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you did enjoy this, consider hitting the like button, ringing the bell, leaving a comment, and see you later. Bye.